In the heart of Hanoi, there is a train that carries more than passengers. It carries stories, old, quiet, enduring. People call it the Hanoi Five-Gate Train, with 5 carriages named after 5 historical gates, each a cultural landmark, each a gateway to the city's past. Today we ride this train, not just to travel, but to listen.
This is Hanoi Station, the starting point of the Hanoi Five-Gate Train. We're going to take me from Hanoi to Bắc Ninh Province. The train will depart at exactly 8 a.m., so I better hurry up.
Boarding is quick and seamless. All you need is to collect your online ticket at the desk and simply step onto the train. The train consists of 5 double-decker passenger cars, designed not simply for transport, but as a shared travel experience, one that suits families, visitors, and those exploring Hanoi and its surrounding regions at a slower pace. Its interior is distinctly different from conventional passenger trains, shaped by warm wooden tones, soft lighting, and expansive panoramic windows. Along the journey, passengers can enjoy local flavors such as green rice, while taking in views of Hanoi's streets, the Red River, and the city's quieter suburbs.
From the train, Hanoi appeared differently. Familiar neighborhoods slow down, becoming softer and calmer. It's a good option to get away from the hustling city.
At times, the journey turns into a moving performance. Along the way, gentle Quan melodies from Bắc Ninh appear briefly, before the carriage fills with the lively rhythms of Hat Van and Sham.
In about 40 minutes, I have arrived at Third Station, Bắc Ninh Province, the homeland of Quan folk songs. Now it's really a time for me to stretch my legs.
The journey continues to Do Temple, a site deeply rooted in the history and cultural memory of Bắc Ninh. Dedicated to the kings of the Lý dynasty, the rulers who laid the foundations of the Vietnamese state, the temple remains a living cultural space. Here, gentle Quan folk singing is shared not as a staged performance, but as a tradition passed between voices. Visitors also take part in quiet rituals, such as calligraphy writing for good fortune, small gestures that reflect wishes carried across generations. After an hour in Bắc Ninh, the journey turns back toward Hanoi. On the return trip, another familiar flavor appears, Ban Ran, crisp on the outside and softly sweet inside. As the train reaches Long Bien Station, it comes to a brief stop. For 20 minutes, passengers step off to wander, to pause, and to climb onto the open carriage, capturing quiet moments as the railway and the city meet once again. The trip was only 4 hours, but through music, ritual, and shared moments, it offered a deeper understanding of the places the train passed through.